Tushar.
Hey, I'm Akshay.
Hi, this is Amrita.
We love films.
We love talking about films.
And we love fighting about films.
So welcome.
To the great.
Filmy Tamasha.
Yay! So this is an Independence Day special episode.
We would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
And on this special day, we are debating about the most patriotic Hindi film. We all have our favorites.
Great! So allow me to introduce a film which recognizes what our country is, what our country can be, and shows how we, the people, can bridge that gap. A patriotic film which is not jingoistic, does not rely on any of the filmy tropes or external forces, but brings the inner evils to light. A film which will remain timeless because the basic tone of the film is of self-improvement and of providing support to those around us, which is actually a never-ending process. Competing from Team Akshay, my choice for this episode, Swades, We the People.
सरफरोशी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. So these were lines written by a famous Urdu poet जिनके नाम में मैं हमेशा गड़बड़ करती हूँ, so I'm going to read it. बिस्मिल अजीमाबादी ने ये लिखा था after the Jallianwala Bagh riots. And these lines became a sort of battle cry for our revolutionaries. Right? It was used a lot in our freedom struggle. And then Hindi films immortalized this in the 1965 film Shaheed, which was also a contender for me for this video. Right? So, and Hindi cinema has time and again, we've tried to make films that, that can invoke this feeling of sarfaroshi. But I think the only time we've ever succeeded truly is with my film of today, which is Sarfarosh by John Matthew Mathan. And it was a debut project of John. Best debut का award अगर directors को मिल पाता तो उस साल उनको मिलना चाहिए था. He also wrote and produced this film. So an all-round effect. And the best point of this film is how it takes that spirit of Sarfaroshi. And by the way, जिनको नहीं पता, सरफरोशी means वो जो जज्बा होता है कि you can lose your head for your country.
Yeah.
Right? So that's what it means. So this film takes that spirit and combines with it intelligent entertainment. It's a full-on entertainment package. Right? And so it is one of my favorite patriotic films now and for all times actually.
Inqilab Zindabad. Long live the revolution. The movie which ignited that spirit in us, and the movie which also made us think about what Gandhiji said. Be the change you want to see. This is the living example of this quote, क्योंकि कोई भी देश perfect नहीं होता, उसको बेहतर बनाना पड़ता है. So for me, the most patriotic film ever is Rang De Basanti.
So Swades answers the most important question when it comes to patriotism. What can you do for your country? Not every citizen can be at the border front and fight to protect political borders. But almost every individual has a skill set which they can use to improve the life of the people around them and in turn service the nation. After all, a country is not its landmass alone, it's the people. Uplift the people, you uplift the country. Geeta. She is the moral compass of the film. She is an educated girl who could possibly get a job in an MNC and have a way higher standard of living. But she leads by example, chooses to live in the village and works towards educating the next generation in the hope that they will improve their lives moving on forward. Through Mohan, the film actually explores the country's issues objectively first, just as any one of us in the audience members would. And then, through Mohan, the film acts on them emotionally like how most of us would want to be able to act on them. But we don't because it is not necessarily convenient to us. Mohan's journey from an expatriate to someone who chooses to stay back in India to make a difference and yet not completely lose out on his own life is very important, relevant, and essentially the messaging of the film. It is up to the educated middle class to take the necessary steps in their own capacity so that as a collective the country moves ahead. It also explores the political issues, caste issues, gender issues, class divide, poverty, lack of basics, lack of electricity, education, which are still rampant in large proportions in rural India, which makes up for 70% of the country. It is a very respectful film. It recognizes the possibility of greatness in India, doesn't bank on India's glorious past, but on its capable present. It doesn't put down any other culture or any other country to show India's greatness. The biggest takeaway from this film is that there are no villains. There's a song in the film, पल पल है भारी. उसके lines हैं, मन से रावण जो निकाले राम उसके दिल में है. This is a metaphor for India and its citizens. From a filmmaking point of view, it's a very engaging movie with repeat value. Music is great. Rahman is in top form. Songs are good individually as well as within the screen space, within the story. They take the story forward. Background score is fantastic. Writing is very good. Dialogues are beautiful. मेरे आंसुओं का स्वाद बस मेरे मन का नमक जानते हैं. अपनी पानी में पिघल जाना बर्फ का मुकद्दर होता है. You know, these are beautiful lines. They convey so much. There are no flaws in any department. Being 3 hours 20 minutes long, also the film does not feel stretched. Swades is not only the best patriotic film, but also the most important one, because raising issues is very easy, but coming up with solutions is not, and that is what Swades does.
So here is my defense for Sarfarosh. Okay, Sarfarosh has a lot of pros, but let's start with the protagonist. ACP Rathod is one of the most unique cops we've had in Indian cinema. He is not beefy. He is not macho.
Yeah.
फिल्म में एक भी सीन नहीं है जिसमें वो 10 गुंडों को अकेले पीट रहा है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं. इनफैक्ट जब भी उसका एनकाउंटर 10 लोगों के साथ होता है, उसकी पूरी टीम होती है साथ में, जिसके एंड में वो जनरली पिट जाता है और सलीम उसको बचाने आता है. सो फिल्म में बहुत क्लियरली इस्टेब्लिश कर दिया है कि इस बंदे की जो USP है वो उसका जज्बा है फॉर हिज कंट्री, उसकी सरफरोश और उसकी इंटेलिजेंस, बिकॉज ही इज़ वेरी वेरी स्ट्रेटेजिक. Right, he uses all of police force's resources. He uses all the way that investigation goes from Chandrapur on the Maharashtra-Andhra Pradesh border to Bahid in Rajasthan. The way they're extracting information from locals, from through interrogations. Right, he is a very strategic and intelligent police guy.
Yeah.
And yeah, but he's not your typical macho cop. Yeah. Plus, his background story is also very interesting. His brother was killed by militants. His father was tortured to the point of being disabled for life. Right? पर उसने बंदूक उठा के किसी को शूट नहीं किया. Right? उसने he joined the police force. IAS बन गया. IAS छोड़ के IPS में आया ताकि वो सिस्टम में घुस के सिस्टम को सुधार सके. Right? So that is an A-grade protagonist right there. उसके अलावा the film is not just about Aamir Khan. It's about all the other characters as well. In Inspector Salim, played by Mukesh Rishi, or Mirchi Seth, played by Akhilen Mishra, we've got some memorable characters right there. The most important one being Gulfam Hassan, played by Naseeruddin Shah, the most nuanced villain we've ever had. He's layered.
True, I agree.
He has a backstory. You'll feel bad for him even at the end. कि वो कहीं पे ये नहीं बताया गया कि you know उसका pain is invalid. He went through the partition.
Yeah.
He suffered, but he could have chosen a better way. Right, so a great villain in Naseeruddin Shah, and then the way the whole Indo-Pak conflict is portrayed, like mostly films में सिर्फ border terrorism या border पे लड़ाई दिखा देते हैं. इसमें वो पूरा इंडिया पाकिस्तान का proxy war दिखाया गया है for the first time in Indian cinema in a very nuanced manner. Right, कि कैसे border से राजस्थान से आके आंध्र प्रदेश के छोटे गांव में नक्सलाइट्स को पूरी बंदूकें मिल रही हैं. Exactly, कैसे वो पूरा trail जा रहा है, and the whole film is actually an investigation of that from the first scene. The first scene opens with a shootout in Chandrapur, right? And the film ends in Bahid, and the entire film is an investigation. So the way the whole Indo-Pak relationship has been explored, has been shown, and the way the entire police procedure has been shown, the way they extract information, कैसे ऑटो वाले रिक्शे वालों से बात करके इंफॉर्मेशन निकालते हैं एंड ऑल दैट. सो दैट मेक्स फॉर अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग मूवी इवन व्हेन यू नो द एंड. ये तो बॉलीवुड मूवी है, विलन पकड़ा जाएगा, बट द फिल्म स्टेज अनप्रेडिक्टेबल बिकॉज ऑफ द पुलिस work the way it has been shown. You don't know where they're going to find the next clue from.
Yeah,
So all that makes it a very, very entertaining film.
that it is.
And that is why, yes. So because of how it showcases patriotism with entertainment, I think it is the best patriotic film ever.
Okay, great.
So many filmmakers have given us proud moments as Indians. You know, there are many films which makes you want to do something for your nation. One such film is Rang De Basanti. I clearly want to state that this is epitome of modern patriotism. This film. It is modern, it is youthful, it is urban, it is epitome of modern patriotism. This also came at a time when this was not a happening genre.
Yeah.
We had few Bhagat Singh movies. We had Mangal Pandey also, which was Amir Khan movie before this, but it did not strike the connect with audience. But when this came, the narrative is so brilliant that as an audience, you start feeling that, okay, it is not then. It keeps on happening. Like what happened then will happen now. What happens now will happen then. History repeats, so does the situations. You know, the setup might be different. The whole people around you might be different. But what happened will keep on happening.
Yeah.
And it also said that all of us have that one thing within ourselves which will make us go crazy about our nation, which will make us do anything about our nation. So we need that one push which will make us go to that extent and say that, okay, it is beyond me now. Now this is for my nation. I think that push is this film, Rang De Basanti. It is not preachy. It is just very well said. It also actually connects you with your history. How many movies have done that? Of course, we have learned history when we were young. But जब हम पढ़ते हैं, हम पढ़ने के लिए पढ़ते हैं ना. ऐसा नहीं कि ज्ञान अभिवृद्ध करना है. You know, but this shows you the beginning of the whole revolution. How Chandrasekhar Azad started the Kakori wala incident and how it ended up in Jallianwala Bagh massacre and how they ended up killing the person behind it. So you know, it refreshes your memory and also makes them relatable. Like all these characters who are us, like it's present generation, suddenly started to relate to those characters because history is repeating itself. Right, and throughout the movie, if you see how they talk to each other, how they interact with each other, the characters keep on evolving, and that is the same evolution which is happening with us also as audience. Like every talks, chats, especially which they have in Kiran Kher's Dhaba.
Yeah.
First they are very this thing about it, and then they start talking about, you know, हम कुछ कर सकते हैं, देश के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए, and how Madhavan talks about something and how it ignites the thing in them. It's all with you, like you are also going through that. And one major point I have seen is all these people are normal people like us. They don't want to go to the outside world. They want to stay in their friends gang क्योंकि बाहर जाओगे कोई तुमको मानेगा नहीं, ये नहीं करेगा, वो नहीं करेगा. The film showed them, the lazy bunch of people taking that step.
Yeah.
So finally, it is actually trying to tell you that if they can, anyone can, and anyone would want to do it after watching the film. I think it's a brilliant narration, and it makes you extremely patriotic at the end of it.
All right. I'm going to go anti-Sarfarosh. Okay. So Sarfarosh is a brilliant movie. Okay. It is probably the best cop drama that I have ever seen. उसमें कोई doubt नहीं है. But I think that is what it is. It is not a patriotic film. It's a cop drama. And because there is a man in a uniform, it lends itself to patriotism, but that is not the main theme. So that is my first point against Sarfarosh.
I'll counter that. So, when you say that Sarfarosh is not a patriotic film, when very clearly Amir Khan का पूरा motivation उसमें दिखाया गया है of doing what he does for his country, it's clear, it's stated in that movie.
In that monologue,
Right,
he has
उसकी-
with Mukesh Joshi, right? You're talking about that, right?
No, not even in the beginning. शुरुआत में भी दिखाया गया है कि उसके father के साथ जो होता है वो
जी,
तब
जी,
होता है जब वो already एक terrorism case में गवाही देने जा रहे होते हैं.
जी, correct.
Right. So शुरुआत से establish कर दिया they come from this family which is very conscious of their civil rights.
I agree.
Right?
Yes.
कैसे वो exactly उसकी सारी conversations जितनी भी सलीम के साथ हैं, they're all about doing things for the country. Right? How we need to come together for ये मेरा घर है, ये तुम्हारा घर नहीं है शायद, इसीलिए तुम नहीं करना चाहते, इसीलिए तुम अपनी जिम्मेदारी से भाग रहे हो. All his conversations उस फिल्म में जबरदस्ती के दिखाया नहीं गया है कि ओ ये देश के लिए कर रहे. There is no chest thumping, but it's very clear if you notice that the main theme is fighting for your country, doing the best you can do to rid India of crime. Right? Also, the India-Pakistan thing has been done because it is the easiest thing to showcase that, bring in that patriotism.
The basic point is that it works better as a cop drama. It's a fantastic cop drama. I don't think it's a fantastic patriotic film. And you countered that, so I'm going to go on to the next point. My next point is this: the screenplay of the film does not hold very good today. It is slowed down by songs, okay, which have nothing to do. The moment film का ये momentum बढ़ने लगता है ना, गाने बीच में आते हैं, फिल्म थोड़ी स्लो हो जाती है. 99 के लिए बहुत बढ़िया था, but I think today 20-30 minutes उसमें drag है because of the songs, and Sonali Bendra's character has pretty much nothing to do. Songs are great, but it's not that kind of a film according to me.
In Sarfarosh में जो love story है, it has been used so beautifully to fill in the gaps so that जितने भी scenes हैं सोनाली के आमिर के साथ, वो या तो क्या कहते हैं गुलफाम हसन के साथ है, जहाँ पे गुलफाम हसन ज़्यादा prominent हो जाते हैं, या फिर उसके सारे सीन ऐसे कि कहीं वो victim को chase कर रहा है, तो कहीं वो hospital में बैठ के clue याद कर रहा है. The love story has been woven in so crisply.
In the background while they were romancing in some song.
That one song, yes, it is an entertainment mainstream Bollywood movie, but of all the 5-10 films,
Amrita.
होश वालों को खबर है was an introduction of Gulfam Hasan.
Amrita.
So yeah, done. I countered that.
Arguments for anti Rang De Basanti. Rang De Basanti again, classic movie, but it is more of a coming of age film than a patriotic film. It just happens that they get inspired by the characters of the docudrama that they are a part of, hence they take this angle, but they could have found anything else in life. Just like how Lakshya is not a patriotic film, neither is this. That's my first argument against Rang De Basanti for the most patriotic film ever.
But at the end of it, they're trying to tell you कि हम ये करने के लिए तैयार हैं देश के लिए, and they're also trying to create a wave. ठीक है, everything is coming of age. Even all the films which we are talking about, they come in a particular way, they become a particular way because of some incident. But the final output of the film is to show that नहीं यार, हम अपने देश के लिए करेंगे. कॉलेज किड्स हो सकते हैं, पुलिस हो सकते हैं, या नासा साइंटिस्ट हो सकता है. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू वांट टू डू समथिंग फॉर योर कंट्री, एंड दैट इज वेरी वेल इंस्टिल्ड आफ्टर वाचिंग दिस.
Go ahead with that. Whatever these people do in the film is more to do with Madhavan being killed. Madhavan is the one who is the patriot in the film, and Madhavan who is the one who has the idea कि कोई देश perfect नहीं होता, देश को perfect बनाना पड़ता है. When he is bad-mouthed by the minister after trying to save people, that's when they actually get angry. They are more angry about Maddie being bad-mouthed than it being about their country. So for me, that is still a friendship wala emotion, a revenge wala emotion, not so much of a patriotism wala emotion. Okay, and if you think this is a patriotic film and it is inspiring people, I would like to say that this film doesn't offer any solutions, because the idea which it does put forward is actually a very dangerous idea. You can't go out on the road and kill a minister, even if you are dying in the end, to show that, you know, so now they die in the end, and what that proves is that you're not going to get away with it. One. Second, it is not really right. It is not the way to get things done. As opposed to Swadesh, which actually shows a way to move
the
forward.
first question where you said the way you said about Maddie, so everybody has a tipping off factor. Like there is a point of time which makes you the person
Correct.
you are. For them, that was the thing. Anything, even if you go back in time, and even Bhagat Singh and all, they wouldn't have started whatever they did just like that. They all need one point to turn patriotic towards their country. This is friendship, ठीक है, but that made them patriotic. And I know this is not the most ideal example
Yeah.
which they're setting by killing that, but they tried to do something which did not happen. एंड ऐसा पहले भी हुआ है, ऐसा वो फिर से कर रहे हैं. अगेन दे आर सेलिंग कि दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग, बट दे couldn't get any other way. I mean, they couldn't think of any other way to go about it and let people know that no, they're wrong. We should do something about it. क्योंकि वो भगत सिंह कहता है ना, कुछ लोग कम सुनते हैं, उनको चिल्ला के बोलना पड़ता है, कुछ धमाका करना चाहिए. You know, he just believed in it, and he also agrees that this is not the perfect way to go about it. But they are doing something for their nation, and they did die. They did not show कि अरे ये तो बहुत अच्छे किए, तो लास्ट में बच गए.
Good that the characters
So
died.
they suffered for what they did.
Yeah.
They suffered for what they did, so they're not setting an example that way.
Which is exactly what Swades gets right.
Sometimes it is just the way it is.
Gets right by showing what can actually be done.
What can actually be done can be that also and this also.
Okay, you said it, not me.
So I'll go first against Swadesh. So my first point which I do not like about Swadesh, which I consider a major flaw, is that the film tries to do too much. Right? एक मुद्दे को पकड़ के उस पर फोकस करने के बदले he is solving the girl child education problem, he is solving the casteism issue, he is solving the infrastructure issue, and all of that he is solving with his NASA earned money in 5 weeks only. Right? तो किसी भी चीज़ में वो डेप्थ में घुस ही नहीं पाते.
Okay.
They're not able to get into the politics of anything. Gram Panchayat politics is dirty. It's the main reason why villages stay undeveloped. उसमें तो घुसा ही नहीं है कोई. Because everything is superficial. Shah Rukh Khan just goes, talks to people, and everybody agrees the next day. तो इतने दिनों से गीता क्या कर रही थी? जाके अच्छे से बात कर लेती. इनफैक्ट गर्ल चाइल्ड को के लिए कन्विंस करने के लिए उसने गीता की लाइन्स यूज करी, जो गीता ने बोली थी. द सेम लाइन्स ही यूज्ड. Right? So अपनी प्रॉब्लम बेसिकली बस इतनी है, we need good orators. Is all we need. Because Shah Rukh Khan just talks and solves all the issues.
Okay.
So that for me is a major flaw.
Our country is at least 5,000-6,000 year old civilization. We are 73 years into a political country. Okay, we have tons and tons of problems. Shah Rukh Khan's character is like any one of us who's from an educated family who's entered into this place, into this village, which is 70% of the country, and these problems are there. You will notice these problems within 2 days. You don't need 5 weeks. I agree that that 5 weeks में problem solve नहीं होती हैं. Which is why in the end नहीं होती है. Which is why in the end he decided to leave his job and come back. It was not only Kaveri Amma, it was not only Gayatri Joshi's character, but it was his want to do something better for the people over there. Which is why he had to come back. He couldn't solve them in 5 weeks. So that's where I think that your 5 weeks thing is not kind of sitting well with me.
Not just 5 weeks thing, the fact that he solved all of these, like it's literally जिस इंसान को लोगों ने गांव में घुसने.
I think that is something which a lot of us have in common again. That अगर हम लोग को हमारा कोई हमारे में flaw दिखाता है, हम नहीं मानते. कोई बाहर से आके जब बताता है ना, then we start taking that flaw seriously. And I think
not like that. There is an untouchable family जिसको गांव में घुसने नहीं दिया जाता काम के लिए. अगले दिन उसके बच्चे स्कूल में पढ़ने आ रहे हैं और कोई सरपंच और उसमें से कोई पॉलिटिक्स नहीं खेल रहा है इस चीज़ पे. Is this a true representation of Indian political landscape, Indian village landscape? It's not. It paints a very romantic picture of village life. कि problems ऐसे गायब हो जाएंगे, which is not the case.
It creates a picture of what can happen if you try. Sadly, people have not tried enough, but when people try, they get to know. So I'm assuming they're trying to show us, they're trying to inspire us.
The next point is NRI shaming. Right, Shah Rukh Khan जो पूरा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वहाँ पे बनाता है, जो बिजली जनरेट करता है, पैसे कहाँ से आते हैं? पंचों ने दिए, politicians ने फंड किए? No, it's all his hard-earned money from his NASA days.
Yes.
Right, the NRI diaspora of India has been supporting our economy for the longest time from Gulf, from Europe, from the USA. ठीक है, they are big contributors to the funds and to Indian GDP. Okay, और उसके बाद to shame NRIs that the only way they can contribute is come to the grassroots level and run a school, which is what is being done in Swadesh. It's just not right.
Okay, so here's
they are contributing a lot.
Here's the thing. Let me counter that. We got hardly any 10-20 seconds left. So the thing is,
we have got 20 seconds.
It's not the money. It is actually tackling the brain drain issue. That the brains from here are going and working there. When the brains from there come and work here in India, we will benefit the country. Money India has a lot. Okay. But brains,
no,
India
it doesn't. 90s में economic reforms
India has a lot of money amongst itself. We
money.
don't need NRI money. There's a lot of money in people's banks and people's
Oh God, no. This is just.
Okay,
this
but
is
it's the brains
not
of
even
Shah Rukh Khan
correct.
which are important in this film. Moderator.
Okay, that was an incorrect argument, but okay,
that's
fine.
okay. That's up to you.
Yeah. All right. So the thing about Rang De Basanti for me, the first thing, which is a major flaw, is that it does not practice what it preaches. Okay, it says कि देश को कैसे बदलेंगे, तो हम जाएंगे, हम पुलिस ज्वाइन करेंगे, हम आर्मी ज्वाइन करेंगे, हम पॉलिटिक्स में घुसेंगे, हम देश बदलेंगे. At the first sign of problem, these kids go and pick up a gun and shoot their problem out. Then they figure out कि father is also corrupt, उसको भी जाके shoot कर दिया. So it does not practice what it's preach. Is my first problem. Then in doing so, it gives a very dangerous message, as Akshay said, right? Ki that is not the Bhagat Singh was a completely different. He was in an enslaved country where the political system, the police system, everything was actively working against him. These are privileged kids who study in DU. Most likely, half of them are from Lutyens, Delhi. DJ, which is Amir Khan's character, 5 साल से कुछ नहीं कर रहा, with no pressure. 5 साल हो गए उसको कॉलेज से पास आउट हुए, और उनमें से एक है वो बडिंग पॉलिटिशियन है. दे अंडरस्टैंड पॉलिटिक्स एज वेल. डिस्पाइट ऑल ऑफ दीज, all of these privileges, the thing these kids do after one failed rally is go and shoot the politician. So it does not practice what it preaches. It sends out a dangerous message. If you want to counter that, you can. I do have one more point though.
See, the message is not what they are preaching. That they have said in the film also कि ये गलत है. But sometimes it's just that you do not know how to go about it. They have spent their life a particular way and they have suddenly got into this realization कि यार ये सब कर सकते हैं अपने देश बचाने के लिए. So they decided, again they are not saying this is the best way, they decided that this is the way to reach the people, and it has happened before. So they thought that if history repeats itself, so this will be in their head the ideal way to reach people, to make them more patriotic, to make them work like he says IAS baniye, IPS baniye. He is not propagating killing people.
After gunning everybody.
But that is why you're listening to them today, because he killed a person and is admitting to it and you're sitting and listening to him. If he just comes out in public and says कि नहीं आप ये करो आप वो करो, शायद कोई करता नहीं. So it is like you create a fire and then try to tell what is happening around.
So that creating a fire is dangerous in multiple ways, right? Okay, so I'll move on to my second point. My second point is that in doing so, in showing that history is repeating itself, that these kids are actually inspired from a great freedom fighters, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad. They are portraying a negative picture of these revolutionaries, which was not the case. Indian freedom struggle 1857 से चल रहा था. By the time 1931 came, when these kids were, when Bhagat Singh was hanged, they had tried everything. Violence, non-violence, non-cooperation movement, they had tried everything. Sam, Dam, Dandbhed, सब लगा लिया था. His own death was a strategic collateral for Bhagat Singh. It's written there. If had he thought that there was a better way, that he could contribute more to the struggle by staying alive, he would have done that. So this was not an impulsive kid's decision. He started his revolutionary ideas when he was 12 years old after Jallianwala Bagh, right? So he'd seen it all. This was not his first resort. This was his last resort. His last resort, right? If you were so inspired by Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Chandrasekhar Azad, you would know this. That this cannot be your first. At least they should have tried appealing in the court before they went and shot people.
I am talking from their point of view.
Guys, last counter.
In their head also. In their head also, actually, if you see their characters, this was the last resort. They're trying to talk, they're trying to do the rally. His father is involved, the entire system is corrupt. Whoever they're planning to go and tell, everybody is corrupt. So, in their head, I know they have not fought a battle. But going through the thing which they did, in their head this was the last resort कि नहीं कोई कुछ नहीं करेगा, हमको ही कुछ करना चाहिए, so let's kill him. And again they are not propagating it. In their head it was the last resort. They were not planning on dying. They were just trying to send a message.
Agreed.
And doing what they did was not right according to them also, but in their head I think it was the last resort.
That might have been the case, but the thing is that these are intelligent kids. They do not come from a poor village,
guys,
and they have all the resources to learn more and be better. So this should not have been their last resource. Okay,
Sarfarosh is a very good film. Is a very good film about this cop, Ajay Rathod. Brilliantly said, he is extremely patriotic. He is doing whatever he wants to do for his country. But as an audience, honestly speaking, compared to Rang De Basanti, it is not making me feel much for my country. He is brilliant. He is doing it. I want to see him. I want him to succeed. He is like a idol कि हाँ यार सब police officer को ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. But Rang De Basanti is the movie which says you can be that. You know, Rang De Basanti makes people like Ajay Rathod कि they'll come out and say कि you need not sit back and think कि you know कि ये बहुत अच्छा है, ये इतना सब कुछ कर रहा है. but you can aspire to become that and be that because nation needs it. So because of this dynamics, I feel कि it is a good single standing film. जाओ देखो, as you said, it's commercial, everything, but talking about patriotic side of it, it is his patriotism. It is not making us feel anything for our country as audience. This is my point.
Okay. From what I understand, you're saying that RDB invokes more patriotism in people than Sarfarosh does, right? Okay. So my counter
I
to
don't
that
think
would
Sarfarosh
be
does.
okay. So my counter to that would be that is a very personal thing, right? Because even when I was watching RDB, I was like, क्या कर रहे हैं? What are these kids doing? What are these kids doing? Why are they dying for no reason? Right? I'm sure there are people like me out there, right? So instead of invoking a feeling of patriotism, it invokes in me a feeling of regret, right? Ki, oh my God, such lost kids. This is what our country has come to. ठीक है. Unlike Sarfarosh की opening ही ऐसी है, combined by the music and the acting, that for me it invokes, like, it is. That's why I chose it as the most patriotic film, like self-explanatory. So yeah, I think that is a very it's not a very objective thing. You cannot quantify it. It's a very subjective person-to-person kind of a choice.
Correct. I also said that people, because this is what they're telling, you be IAS, you be IPS, don't do it. So that is what I'm trying to tell. So this will help people like Ajay Rathod who wants to do it, and somebody coming out in public and doing such things and saying, तुम कंट्री बदल सकते हो, ये मत करो, IPS बनो, IAS बनो. So for me, Sarfarosh is byproduct.
So that's what, in fact, except that Sarfarosh came earlier in '99 and this came in 2006.
No, in the same universe, I'm telling you.
But what I would like to say here that Rang De Basanti कहती है, पर रंग दे बसंती करती नहीं है. रंग दे बसंती में सारे बच्चे कहते हैं कि पुलिस को ज्वाइन करो, इसको ज्वाइन करो, उसको ज्वाइन करो.
क्योंकि that's the end of the film. No, then you see people like
it ends at the point where the revolution starts. जबकि सरफरोश में the revolution is ongoing. RDB ends at the point कि हाँ अब तुमको जो करना है कर लो. Sarfarosh actually shows a way forward. Yeah.
Swades, we the people. ठीक है. So again, brilliant film. NRI coming and suddenly feeling patriotic about his country. He came for his selfish reasons, but he saw so many things happening, and then he decided to do something for his country. But now talking about the film, I think the film is a bit too long and too slow to get into the mood of patriotism. See, what happens is you see there's something happening, but they somehow bring something else which is not happening in your timeline, and then the mood is shifted there, and then suddenly you focus on that thing. As Amrita said, they are trying to focus on too many things, and we are losing focus on the basic feeling of the film, which has to be patriotism. It does. They get back to it in the end, definitely. But the way they have taken goes little too much idhar-udhar. So when we are watching as audience, I think suddenly we are feeling कि अच्छा ये issue है तो वो तो हम भूल ही गए, ये issue है ये तो हम भूल ही गए. So it is a very wavering film which goes everywhere and try to force patriotism at the end of it कि हाँ इसने इतना सब कुछ देख लिया, अभी इसको वापस दे.
Okay, so here's my counter to that. I know that they have addressed a lot of issues in the film, but the reason for that is that a lot of issues are there. Okay, you can't send a person into that. You can't send a person over there into a village like that and expect them to be like this. You cannot only see girl child, you cannot only see poverty, you cannot only see class divide. You will see everything. It is the mammothic feeling of everything hitting him together which makes him take the call at the end. So, and as far as the pace of the film is concerned, I think there's a time and a place for every film, okay, for which it seems fine. Like something might not seem very good in a multiplex, but might seem very good on Netflix. Something might not seem so good in a single screen, might seem perfectly at home in a multiplex. So I don't think that is really valid because person to person.
No, but we are talking about
patriotic
film when it released. All the films are like, all the films are theatrical release. If you're talking about that, it is when you're watching the film. It is very slow. The screenplay is very slow. That is my biggest problem. कि जब तक हम किसी thing में घुसे, I know there are a lot of things, but the way you address it is also make a lot of difference when you're watching a film. तुम jump करते रहोगे without actually giving, and I had a biggest problem कि वहाँ के लोगों को actually they don't want to become better people. See, I
Agreed.
agree. He's trying to make them better, but at the end of the day, there should be something from their side to become
So
better,
here's
right?
the thing. Here's
ये
the
तो
thing.
उसमें है ही
Here's the thing.
नहीं.
Gayatri Joshi's character is one of those people. The Pukki of the
Only
village.
Gayatri Joshi is there, but apparently she couldn't do much because somehow he comes and tells, like Amrita said, everything is like he comes and tells कि अच्छा ये
See,
करेंगे
you
वो
do
करेंगे. Gayatri
understand
Joshi
that
तो
we
पहले
are
से ही है
living
ना
in a
वहाँ पे.
patriarchal society, which is one more thing which the film addresses. They are trying to change that. Actually, Shah Rukh Khan's character should not be required. Gayatri Joshi saying the same thing should be sufficient. But that is also one of the
Yes.
underlying issues. That for the people over there, like you said, they don't want to improve because they don't know better. They can only lead the life that they know.
No, but he's trying to show, right? I think even when the movie gets over, it's like ये सब कुछ छोड़ के आ गया. मुझे नहीं लगता वहाँ के लोग अभी भी बदले. उनको अभी भी ऐसे वो डायलॉग है ना कि आपको अंधेरे की
हाँ.
आदत हो गई है. आई थिंक वो वैसे ही खुश है. ये सब कुछ छोड़ के आ रहा है, बट वो लोग वैसे ही खुश है. Sometimes you feel it is a waste of your time and energy doing something to people.
You're always scared of that which you don't know. You don't know how future could be, so that's why they are scared. उनको अंधेरे से प्यार हो गया है. But what could happen in Swades Part 2? I don't want to comment on
Okay,
that.
Akshay,
Result
start.
time. कौन excited है? Okay. So I have a winner by a narrow margin. I was suspecting a tie again. And I actually want to tell.
Again?
I want to tell who won and why they won. Okay.
Okay, बोलो
Okay, बोल दे रहा हूँ मैं.
बोलो.
So introduction
I think it'll be
introduction मुझको अमृता का ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. लेकिन
I learned from you guys.
लेकिन रीजनिंग
So-
मुझे अनुषा का ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. तो मैं वही डर गया कि शिट अब क्या करेंगे. But I think overall, when it comes to raising objections and handling objections, Amrita performed better against Anusha.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Okay.
I thought Amrita raised a better point against Rang De Basanti than what you did against Sarfarosh, and I also thought she handled her bit better than yours. So my point goes to Amrita.
Yay!
Yeah, so
Thank you, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. So for me, the winner is Anusha.
Okay.
Okay. So पता चला it went cyclical. That would be really funny.
टाई हो सकता है ये by the way.
Okay. So I liked Akshay's intro better. Right. But both my round 1 and round 2 have gone to Anusha.
You mean 2 and 3?
Right.
2 and 3.
Sorry, 2 and 3. मतलब opening के बाद के दोनों rounds
हाँ.
have gone to her. I thought, especially in the last, I thought she presented her film better.
Okay.
And then I thought even the final round she defended against you better. And she had better points against Swadesh
Okay.
than
Okay.
you had against Rang De Basanti. So the same thing which you said
Okay,
basically.
okay,
So yeah.
okay, all right. So Anu, vote for me, make it a tie.
As always, I'm not going to bribe.
I am not
Independence Day के दिन
Sure.
सत्यमेव जयते.
See, okay,
सत्यमेव
see,
जयते.
debate में I'll start ulta. Okay. Debate में you both were equal to
Okay.
me. Like when she presented her point, she was very passionate, so it was very good. And when you presented your points, you were very good, as opposed to the justification of other person. So वहाँ पे तुम दोनों का
Okay.
tie हो गया. But I think intro and reasoning में, I felt Amrita's was better.
Did I win for the first time? Yay!
कौन है ये लोग? हटाओ, मेरे को दूसरे player दे. ये मेरा
Actually,
नहीं खेलना है.
intro तो I resonate with that.
Yes, yes.
Reasoning तुम दोनों का अच्छा था, but उसका थोड़ा ज़्यादा
अच्छा,
अच्छा.
ठीक है.
Thank you.
Okay.
And this happy Independence Day to all of us, and especially to me. So yeah. Okay.
I want to know honorable mentions.
Oh yes. Oh, I had a laundry list.
Oh, my honorable mention was Swades, जो तुमने ले लिया.
मैंने पता है स्वदेश जानबूझ के लिया था. मेरे को पता है इसको स्वदेश चाहिए था.
My honorable mentions, I've written them down because I didn't want to forget them. Was it the number 1 पे I had a Wednesday.
You had a
You know,
You-
a Wednesday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Wednesday.
Very nice choice.
Yeah. So the other one was Border, right? But then Border में यही है ना, much as I love Border and it's a favorite war film, best war film we've made, there is a lot of jingoism and chest thumping in that.
Did anybody think of you,
I thought of
Yuri?
Uri. I thought of
No.
Yuva also, by the way.
Mine was
Ah.
Swades and Rang De
Ah.
Basanti. And I somehow like Laksh also and Gadar.
बट गदर तो प्रेम कथा है.
वही ना. गदर एक प्रेम कथा लिखा है, उसको मैं कैसे पेट्रियोटिक ले लूं?
Actually, Chak De India would have been in this list, but we've already done
Yeah,
that.
yeah. Chak De India's patriotic.
Yeah.
Even Lagan is patriotic. That
Yeah, but
Chak De
yeah,
India is
agreed,
more
agreed.
patriotic.
But
Chak De India.
Chak De India is more patriotic.
Oh, वैसे everything is Baba. Even Dangal is patriotic. Even Mary Kom is patriotic. Bhag Milka Bhag is patriotic. Every sports film is
Yeah, actually,
patriotic.
if you think of it,
To an extent,
Other-
yes.
other
Every
than-
sports
other
film
To
than-
is
an extent, yeah. Not जो
That's
जीता
not
वही से
patriotic.
करता है. I know.
you know, Bhishma, I was also thinking about Pardes. But I'm like, no, I don't like the politics of that film.
What was your?
So, okay, Border was there on my mind. Then Bhagat Singh was there on my mind. Ajay Devgan, Bhagat Singh.
Legend of Bhagat
Legend of
Singh.
Bhagat
Yeah.
Singh. Yeah, that was there on my mind. Then
For me,
this
it
one-
was Shaheed. So
Yeah,
yeah.
actually, I have
Oh,
not
Purana,
seen
65
Shaheed. I have
version.
not seen it. But,
Yeah.
but
I've not seen any of the films you're
Kranti
talking
was
about.
on my mind.
Border, Legend of Bhagat
Kranti was
Singh.
on my mind.
I loved
Karma
Oh,
was
Karma.
Karma was also on my mind.
Guts.
So that's it for the video.
Thank you so much for watching this, and please let us know which is
Yeah.
your favorite
We
patriotic
appreciate
film.
your
Yes,
If you have
yes,
anything
yes.
other than this, also please,
Yes.
please let us know in the comments, and do let us know which team you
And
support.
thanks to
Yes,
everybody
please
who's been
comment
commenting.
below.
Thanks to everybody who's been commenting
Yes.
and who's been putting forward their.
Yes.
Thanks to
yes.
everyone who've been commenting, means
Thank
a
you so
lot.
much.
Yes.
Thank you so much. We really need some.
Yeah,
we need
yeah.
her.
We
We need
need your, we need your support.
We need
and
motivation.
best wishes.
No, we
And motivation.
appreciate your
Yes.
feedback, we appreciate your suggestions, we appreciate
Yes.
your choices too. And we'd love to engage
Yeah.
with you more online. So
Yeah.
please feel free to take the battle home with you and onto YouTube in the comment section. We are available.
Yes, yes, yes. Have your own debates at
And
home.
like, comment.
Yeah.
Sorry, say.
As I said, have your own debates at home. Let us know more.
Yeah. So please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.
Yes. Please do all that Anusha said.